no. Ow. Ooh. Whoa.
It's your move. What you gonna do?
Wait, are you timed to your move?
No, but we should hurry so somebody else can play.
Oh, somebody else doesn't want to play this.
What if they come here and they want to?
It's
Go on. It's your move.
my move.
Remember, you're black this time.
I'm just trying to plan. Thinking where this guy could go so I can track him. I think I found an outsmart idea. He moved. If he was a backwards 1-2 guy and he moved here, possibly I couldn't take him. But if he was there, like that, I could take him here and your turn will be. If he was here then, and then this guy moved, you could take him, and then he's took, and then these two guys, then this guy moves up, then these two could take them.
Yep.
Okay, how is it going?
I don't remember now. It's all over the place.
Well, I had him.
Oh, shucks.
Restart.
Nope. Time to go. Nope. Yep.